Hello everyone. So welcome to today's tutorial on Adobe Aero. So this one will be very helpful for people in the educational field, like because we'll be doing something related to the digestive system. So how people can interact with these various parts. So we'll do something like this. We wouldn't do all, but we're just going to do something small. Okay. So basically something like this. Yeah. So we didn't do all. Okay, so before we proceed, we'll need to download some of the resources we'll be using. Okay, so I've created the resources and I think these ones were from, this diagram is from one of, I think, free pick. Okay, and then I just had to do this, um, put it in this container or this label or UI. Okay, so something like this. Um, you'd have to visit this link as you see here. Okay, and then you click on open in Figma, then you can use it. So basically, when you click on it, you should be presented with all of them here, and then you can use them in your projects. I don't know where is the digestive. Okay, yeah. So we have the digestive system. So let's say if you want something on the lever, you click, and then you can decide to double click to edit the text. And then you come here, click on, um, okay. So you export, click on export, then it gets exported. Then you can extract it and then use it. Um, yeah. Okay, so we are going to create a new file and then give our project. So I'll call it digestive cyst. Okay, because let's use system two. Okay, because I already have a project on that. And then we'll click on create. Okay, so create. Let's hide this. Now what we want is to import our assets. Okay. Okay, so to get the 3D assets of the digestive system, you still have to go to Sketchfab. This is what I used. Okay, so you search for this and then make sure it's this person. Okay, and then you have to click on download as usual and then choose GLB. Okay, you can choose this one because 21 megabytes is too large. Okay, so you choose this one. And then make sure you give credits or you read this thing and then give credits. Okay, so once that is downloaded, you can see we have the assets here. We are just going to do about, let's say, a few. So let's use a GIF. Let's use this image. Let's use this, okay. And then let's use, think this. And then where's it? And then our digestive system. We can add the pancreas to it. Then we'll just, I think that should be all. We can decide to even add, okay, since we have the pancreas, it's okay. So I'm just going to drag it into our projects as we did in one of our projects. So wait for it to import everything into the projects and then we'll just start from wherever we have to. So let's wait for it to do the compression and then, okay, so we have our assets. Just going to scroll down and then I'm going to resize this. Okay, then zoom into it. Okay, so let's see what we have here. So I can bring the pancreas somewhere here. Can decide to bring this one here and then enlarge it. And then the hotspots icon. So let's bring here. Then you bring this GIF. So the GIF I downloaded from Make GIF. There's the GIF. Make GIF. I'm going to enlarge it. And I think that is all for. Okay. So now what we want to do is let's work on this one first. So I'm going to bring this here. Let me rotate it well. Let's see something. Okay. So I'm going to make this bigger. We can decide to just leave it that way, but we want this to be on it. I usually like um, my labels or diagrams to be in this box or this UI. It makes it look interesting. You can always look here to see what I'm doing. Remember to always go around your objects. Okay, send it back. So I like it this way. Let's bring this way a bit. Then I can enlarge it. Then bring it down. I think it's too big. I'm going to take it up a bit. So I think this is quite okay, even though there are a lot of space here. Now highlight all and then just group them. So Control G. Okay, so once it's grouped, I've renamed them. Okay, so rename them. So I'll see you in the next lesson where we'll learn to make other interesting things here.